Stop, do not buy the MacBook Neo right now. That sounds dramatic, but the timing couldn't be worse, because the next version is already leaking, and if these reports are even close to accurate, the MacBook Neo 2 could quietly fix the biggest complaints people have with the current model. The current MacBook Neo just launched about a month ago, and it's already selling out. According to recent availability reports, even ordering directly means waiting until around May just to get your hands on one. That tells you everything. You're looking at a product that's massively successful, and honestly, it deserves that success. For the price, Apple delivered something unusually aggressive: a full aluminum build, solid speakers, a comfortable keyboard, and a proper macOS experience with Apple Intelligence baked in. Under the hood, you're getting the A18 Pro chip, a slightly cut-down version from the iPhone 16 Pro lineup. And for everyday tasks, it's more than enough. Smooth, efficient, and surprisingly capable. Pricing is another reason it blew up so fast. With the education discount, the base 256GB model drops to $499, while the 512GB version with Touch ID goes to $599. That combination of price and performance is exactly why it's flying off shelves globally. But here's the twist. And this is where the leaks come in. Multiple reports suggest that Apple is already preparing the MacBook Neo 2, and the biggest upgrade is exactly where it matters most. The chip, the A18 Pro, is expected to be replaced by the A19 Pro. That means better efficiency, more performance headroom, and stronger AI capabilities across the system. It's not just a numbers upgrade, it directly impacts how long this machine stays relevant. And then comes the second major fix. RAM. The current 8GB setup has been a sticking point for many users. It works, but it doesn't inspire confidence long-term. According to leaks, the Neo 2 will bump this up to 12GB. Is it perfect? No. Some people will still want 16GB, but it's a clear step forward and makes the device feel far less restricted. Now, before expectations get out of control, let's be clear, almost nothing else is changing the design. Staying the same. Apple just introduced this design, so there's no reason to touch it yet. At most, expect new colors. Leaks and renders hint at options like sage green, possibly purple, or even red. Nice additions, but nothing game-changing. Display improvements, don't expect them. The 500 nit panel is likely staying as is. No ProMotion, no brightness boost. Features like True Tone or a backlit keyboard, not happening either. And if you've seen rumors claiming big upgrades in these areas, those are more wish lists than reality. Ports and overall hardware layout will also remain untouched. Apple's pattern is clear, especially if you look at the MacBook Air and Pro lines. Most yearly updates focus almost entirely on internal chip upgrades, not external redesigns. The MacBook Neo 2 looks like it's following that exact strategy. As for pricing, don't expect surprises. Reports indicate Apple will keep the same structure: $599 for the base model and $699 for the 512GB version, with education discounts bringing those down to $499 and $599 respectively. Storage configurations will likely remain unchanged as well. Based on Apple's usual cycle and the leaks discussed, the MacBook Neo 2 is expected to arrive within a 12 to 15-month window. That places it somewhere around March or April next year, with a possible fallback to a later reveal if needed. That's everything we know so far. If you can wait, it might be worth it. See you in the next one.